Yo, what's going on, everybody? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach. And let me guess, right now you're searching the internet looking for the best ways to make free Bitcoin in 2020. We'll search no longer, because what we're going to be discussing on this video today is the 5 best, most legit ways to earn free Bitcoin in 2020. All this is brand new, fresh 2020 content, you guys, and you're absolutely going to love everything I have to share. I want you to understand your time is very valuable to me, and I want to make the best use of it. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. All right, you guys, let's get started making some free Bitcoin. Let me know down in the comments if you're excited. Now, before I show you these top 5 fresh new ways to make some free Bitcoin, it's extremely important that you crush that thumbs up, my friends. If you find any valuable content in this video, it helps to grow this channel and it helps to get this information out to as many folks as possible. And at the end of the day, that is what this channel is all about, is growing and getting this information out to as many people as possible. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, that you hit that bell notification. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content, because I come out with videos just like the one that you're watching right now every single week, teaching you the best money making strategies. And then also, my friends, I want you to understand that this is some great ways to earn some free Bitcoin on the side. You know, put some extra clothes on your back, save that Bitcoin, invest it, whatever you like to do, you know, buy some gifts for some folks, but it's not going to make you rich. I want you to understand that right now. These methods will not make you rich, but if you want to grow a life of financial freedom and have passive income and get time back on your side and live a life of complete freedom, my friends, I have left down in the top of the description my #1 recommendation to make the most money online, where you can really have a life of freedom and create your own online business that pays you over and over and over again. It's very simple, and it's a step-by-step process that will show you exactly what you need to do. So without further ado, as promised, let's get straight into this video. All right, my friends, let's get started earning some free cryptocurrency. Now, the first step that you're going to need to do to earn cryptocurrency, you guys, is to have a crypto wallet, because all of the cryptocurrency that you're going to be earning, you have to have a place to actually transfer that to, sort of like a bank, right? Where you can actually go withdraw your cash. Now, that is exactly what Coinbase is that you're looking at right now. And I highly recommend this website, especially if you are a beginner and you don't know much about cryptocurrency. If you want to learn about cryptocurrency, it's a great place to actually get paid up to $158 as of right now. This number fluctuates sometimes. Sometimes it's $160. I've seen it all the way up to like $170 worth of cryptocurrency. They're going to pay you just to learn about crypto. It only takes about an hour, hour and a half. They have some short videos. You take a small quiz and they pay you out in cryptocurrency. So let's check this out real quick. I always like to throw this in there because this is important. You need a crypto wallet to begin with, and then you can earn up to $158. You can see right down here, earn up to $158 worth of cryptocurrency just to learn about it. So check out how easy this is, right? If we jump over to this page right here by just clicking on the Get 158, you can see that they've broken this down by different types of cryptocurrency right here. This one is Orchid OXT. We have Tezos XTZ, DAI, EOS, Stellar Lumens, Zcash, Basic Attention Token. I'm going to show you how to get some free Basic Attention Token too, by the way, today. But what you want to focus your attention on is all these ones that are green that say earn right here. These are the ones that are going to pay you. This one right here, Orchid, will pay you up to $52 of OXT. And just for example, I'm going to click on Start Course right here. And what you're going to notice is they have videos right here. They're very short videos. This one's a 3-minute video, 3-minute video, 3-minute video. And what you'll notice is there's $4, $4, $4 of OXT right there for every little short video that you watch. Again, there's a small quiz. It's very, very simple to do. So come check out Coinbase, open your free Coinbase account. I've left the link down in the description so you can get started there. When you click on that, if you do open a Coinbase account, I'm going to get paid $10. You're going to get paid $10 for your first $100 deposit, by the way. So everybody gets paid, everybody wins. But this is just a great way to start on your crypto journey and start off with $158 worth of crypto just to learn about it. So come check these guys out. All right, folks. So coming in at our #4 spot, we have this application right here called Fold, and you're going to get free Bitcoins when you shop, up to 20% cash back. This is an application that works on your iOS devices as well as your Android devices. Very simple stuff here. So basically how this works, my friends, is they're going to pay you cash back for buying prepaid cards. Now, if you're wondering what type of prepaid cards can I buy, they're cards such as Amazon, Best Buy, Chipotle, Domino's, Hotels.com, Lowe's, Macy's, Old Navy, REI, Sephora, Starbucks, and Uber. So at least 4 or 5 of those right there, people are using all the time, especially the Amazon one right there. People are constantly shopping on Amazon. I know I'm one of them. I buy thousands of dollars a month worth of stuff on Amazon that I have delivered directly to my door, especially with what's going on right now. People don't want to go to the stores. I completely understand. So people are really using Amazon a lot. What if you could get up to 20% cash back? Buy a prepaid Amazon gift card, collect your cash back, and then all that cash back is in the form of Bitcoin that you can transfer back to your Coinbase wallet that we talked about in the beginning of this video. So very simple stuff here. I also want to point out on here that it's very easy to get your payouts. They have instant payouts. There's no waiting around. Simply tell them you want your money, send it to your Coinbase account. And then one other cool thing that they have on here is that you can actually spin for prizes and earn free Bitcoin simply spinning a wheel every single day. You get to do it once a day and you can earn free Bitcoin that way as well. So come check out Fold here, you guys. Really cool way to earn some free Bitcoin. It's just collecting cash back for stuff that you're gonna buy every single day anyways. Does your internet ever seem slow? Does it take the page forever to load? Do you get constant pop-ups and all kinds of crazy ads popping out at you? Well, that's probably because you're using Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. And what I want to show you today is actually how you can flip the script on these web browsers and browse much more securely with Brave web browser. We're at brave.com right now, and this web browser uses Tor functionality and it blocks all the crazy ads that track you on the internet, because a lot of the times the reason that it takes so long for these pages to load and stuff is because built into Google Chrome, there's like 70 different mechanisms in there that are tracking your movement all over the internet and showing you all kinds of crazy ads that are sucking up power and your resources on your computer. So what Brave does is it blocks all that stuff out, and so what you get is a much better internet experience with pages loading much faster. But what's really cool about this is these guys are going to pay you in cryptocurrency, basic attention token to be specific right here. If you turn on a function within Brave browser, what they're going to do is they're going to show you ads that actually respect your privacy, but just for letting them show you ads, they're going to pay you in basic attention token that you can actually save up and cash out and send back to your cryptocurrency wallet, such as Coinbase. Up next here, coming in at our number 2 spot, we have CryptoTab browser, you guys. Now, this is my default web browser. I'm earning Bitcoin right now in the background, 100% automatically on autopilot without doing anything. The way that this works is that you download CryptoTab browser. It's just like Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Firefox, whatever that you're using to actually browse the web right now. You can download CryptoTab browser, make this your default browser, and just browse the web as you normally would every single day. And as long as your browser window is open, the longer it's open, that's why you want to set this as your default browser. It's very important. You're going to be mining Bitcoin. It's going to be using a small percentage of your computer's resources to actually go out there and mine Bitcoin in the background, 100% for free. Nothing technical or anything crazy that you have to do. It's super lightweight. It's fast. You won't even notice a difference. It looks and feels just like Google Chrome. And they make it very easy to sync and move everything from your current web browser over to CryptoTab browser, because that's one of the things that would have held me back, right? I want my bookmarks, my favorites, all the plugins. You can do the exact same thing on CryptoTab browser, and they make it very easy to transfer all of that stuff over. So come check these guys out. Now, coming in at our number 1 spot right here, we have Loli, and Loli is really cool. What it is a browser extension plugin that installs into your web browser, such as Google Chrome that they mentioned right here. And what happens is when you're surfing the web just as you normally would, and everybody's surfing the web, you know, to go make their purchases online lately because it's so hard to get out into these stores. Everything's closed. You're on Amazon, you're on Macy's, you're on Lowe's, all their different websites, right? Well, this has the top 500 major brands. And when you're surfing the web and you purchase anything from those sites, you can earn up to 30% cash back automatically. There's nothing special that you have to do. What Loli is going to do is notify you that there's a cash back offer. You're going to collect that in the payment of free Bitcoin. They're going to give you back that in, you know, cash back in Bitcoin, you guys. Very simple stuff. You simply just install this and it's going to do all the work for you in the background. It's absolutely a no-brainer. If we just come down the page here, just as you see right here, install a Loli extension, shop the web. They notify you when one of the partner stores has a cashback offer, and you're going to earn Bitcoin when you check out using this Loli functionality right here. And I just wanted to show you some of these different stores right here because there's just so many, and there's a lot of really good ones. Expedia, Gap, Microsoft, Finish Line, Groupon, Priceline, Sonos, Best Buy. And there's 500 different ones, you guys. Old Navy, Office Depot, Nike they have on here. So come check this out. Really great way to earn free Bitcoin, and a lot of it. 30% cash back is quite a bit. And it's just a very, very easy way to start earning some free Bitcoin and send that back to your crypto wallet that you can actually transfer back to your bank account. So there you have it, my friends. That's the top 5 ways to earn free Bitcoin in 2020. All of these are 100% legit. Make sure that you drop me a comment. Let me know what you thought. Make sure that you crush that thumbs up if you found any valuable content in this video. All of this helps to grow my channel and helps to get this information out to as many people as I possibly can, so we can help them earn some extra Bitcoin in 2020 as well, my friends. And that's what this is all about, is helping as many folks as I possibly can. Make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. Hit that bell notification so you're notified immediately when I come out with new content, because I'm coming out with videos every single week, just like the one you're watching right now. And also, my friends, if you're an entrepreneur like me at heart and you want a real life of freedom, passive income, where you can fire your boss, quit your 9-to-5, and have a real life of freedom where you can have time to actually hang out with your friends, your family, go to your kids' sports, drop them off at school, whatever it is that's important to you in life, because it's all about time, right? Stop trading your time for dollars and making somebody else rich. Invest in yourself. If this sounds like you and you're fed up and you want to quit your job and get time back on your side, check out my #1 recommendation down in the top of the description of this video. I've also left it up in the top corner over there where it says learn how to make money online. Understand, this is exactly where I was a year ago today. I was searching around on the internet about how to make money online because I wanted something better for me and my family and my life. And I wanted to create an online business that could absolutely change everything that was going on for me and have a real life of passive income where I could work from anywhere in the world. If this sounds like you want to get started today, that is the place to do it. It will show you step by step by step exactly what you need to be doing. There's a whole team of experts behind me that are willing to reach out and help you and show you exactly what you need to be doing to make the most money online, you guys. I'm talking about thousands of dollars a day. Some folks are even making millions of dollars a year. It's completely up to you. Get started today. That's all I have for you. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.